guys, today we're gonna do some activities. When my mom's here, I need to get the phone right now. For real, I just that, you mean, why are you talking about this? This little one here? Nah, it's just brightness. So let's go. Don't mind about the kids over here. They're so loud. Don't you dare. Don't mind about that. Because they're so loud. I cannot handle it. I couldn't sleep. Look, it's totally at I can, yeah. Do you know? Okay, I need to be Tagalog right now. It's tanghali na. So, don't know that. If you know tanghali, subscribe and like. And tell me what it means on the comments. So, we're gonna do activity number 1. Okay, 8 activities. When my mom's still not here, I'm gonna crash out and end the script and end this video. It's been 1 minute. Let's do this. I love cars. I cannot handle it. This thing. Let's go live. So guys, I'm scared the phone might fall, so I'm gonna hold the stuff. Look at that, man, it's huge. Okay, that's done. Let's go do this activity number 2. You propose not. I love jumping in there. Jump. You look like a say. No. No. I always crash out. Hello. You see me? Axla. I need to sleep, okay? Just wait. Watch me sleep. Joking, I'm not sleeping, man. I'm not sleeping. It's already been 4 minutes. I'm done with this activity. Alright, so wait. Here, outside. I need to rest. Try the activities. Let's go. We're gonna play Lego. Yes! Wait, let's wait. One gonna 1v1? My God. Yeah, no. This is a chessboard. Where's my chessboard? So let's go. I'm not doing edits. No more edits. I'm not doing that edits. Okay. How many is this? 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. Daddy, let's go. So let's watch that. It doesn't see us. Open the lights. Wait. Daddy, let's play. I need this. Slow down. You're gonna use the dog. I'm doing this video. Huh? I'm doing this video. Let's go. Papa, let's go. Get ruined. But it doesn't.
Please, tinanong ko si Ate Rose doon. Pero mga alas 6 o alas 7. Skip na siya. Bawal naman siya.
Yeah.
Patawag mo ulit sa'yo.
No. Okay. Okay. Daddy, here we go. Yes. I'm doing YouTube videos.
Video ka pa talaga. On yourself. Dito ba siya nagkikonvince? Boto?
Kaya mo ba si Ate Rose kung okay sa akin?
Ano Ate Rose? Nawa lang sa kapatid ko.
No.
Hirap talaga pag mag-negosyo na walang kasama.
I didn't mean to do that.
Huwag mo na ako pakita. Si mama lang pakita mo.
I want to leave for that.
Itatawag ko guys. Pakul mo na sa'yo. Ay, gamit ko. Ano ito, Rose? Baba ha? Ikaw lang hinintay doon.
Hindi pa pa okay si ano, maka-okay na.
Hindi na ito mapigilan.
Let's go. It's already been
Okay lang ba sa'yo?
We're not doing announce here now. Oh yeah! You first,
Ha?
Daddy.
Hindi, babantayan mo lang.
Magbabantay ka lang yata, ate.
Daddy.
Kung tatanggap ka lang ng ano.
Kung may mas papalabas,
What?
tatanggapin mo.
Black
Pero,
dress.
tsaka kung may kukuha.
Daddy done.
Dos, amin na muna cellphone ko.
Sige na, start mo ulit.
No.
Hindi,
After. No. Here. Just let's watch it.
Nagmag ka na yung ano nito. Baka dali niya na paglaki yan. Hindi. Ang mukha pa naman dito. Ha?
Let's go. Daddy, don't be AFK. Smart outplay. No, not
Oh, hindi ganyan.
No way you're gonna eat me. I'm not. The waste of time.
Kinain ko yan, oh. Bishop yan. Ipon lang kinain mo.
Let's put. Wait.
Hindi pwede makuha.
Now I'm
Tulungan ka
moving.
na lang namin. Ay, tulungan ka na natin.
I'm moving the queen.
Tulungan na natin.
May text na ba si Kokoy ulit?
Hindi siya na kaya hinintay.
I got that.
Ano mo na?
Okay, bye guys.